On Monday, the Labour Room and Maternity Ward at Umroi Health and Wellness Centre were officially inaugurated by Daman Baitba Lamare, local MLA of Umroi constituency. The inauguration ceremony witnessed the presence of Umroi Deputy Commissioner Arpit Upadhyaya, local MDC R.R. Karbuki, along with several distinguished guests and local residents from Umroi. This significant development comes as a result of a collaborative effort with the Selco Foundation taking charge as one of the implementing agencies. An MOU was previously signed between the Selco Foundation and the Umroi District Administration under the Aspiration District Program Niti Ayog.
The Selco Foundation Kabupaten ia kemensin panirap pantulong pantunyo ia kini kecakap hapun tulung gele burung. Nakurman skamiru bahati por kisi bansawan binang nak susu panok seniang panirap bantun punpoi bantun ai ia kecingirap kiper apa kini ketang kedong ni ngakit kia banan wat kilat lenti ngan pristom bangikat bagol para nginaban upgrade ia kini ke subcenter Shelter PhD.
The government of Meghalaya